Previously on Consequences.
Your method of discipline is way out of line.
You both have the answers, so you can go ahead and fix it. Go ahead and fix the problem. But remember, it is on you.
Yes!
Make your name a legacy.
Yes!
Set. Be a good example to society.
Yes!
Yeah! I have been noticing that most of these privileged kids take advantage of the less fortunate ones. That in itself is a type of abuse that we cannot grow with.
Look at them over there, sir. Sir, just explain something to them and look how they behave. Don't you just hate how them still?
Kimmy, we don't hate, we mediate.
We're not responsible for nobody poor picnic! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
Miss Bobby's Roach, as a ringleader, you get to explain all this shenanigans. Yes? And it better be good. Right this way. Now, close the door.
So if you're not here to learn,
It's either you were born into wealth or you were born into poverty.
let this be an example to you all.
Time for a fight
You had consequences.
Garrett? No, I want from you.
Hey, watch out! You know what me do?
Oh, you make me take all the blame. And you there protest.
Me not gonna say something, but the dean lock the door.
But I did think you really need justice.
Yeah. But she lock the door, she don't want you with me after sex child.
Okay.
Come on.
Excuse me, sir. I need to talk to you. It's about Joanna.
Kimo, now is not a good time for you to come with your child.
Sir, it's important. She and her friend them out there are protest.
You're saying that Joanna was the one who led the protest?
Yes, sir. I have the proof on my phone.
You have proof. Let me see. What? Joanna! Joanna Johnson! Report to my office now! Right now! Think this institution is a plaything? Send it to my phone.
Sir. No problem, sir. We'll do right now.
The board will hear about this. Our father will have to spend for this.
Last name, sir.
Young lady, I did not tell you to sit. Stand up. You may have a seat.
You called?
What is this uproar that you carry on? What is going on this school compound, Joanna? Why all the disruption?
I was there just listening. I had nothing to do with any brawl. But sir, I totally agree with my friends. The giant man irresponsible.
Excuse me.
You are excused, sir.
The teacher's name is Mr. Bruce, young lady.
Mr. Bruce, and his daughter, sir. Then they have nothing near manners and they're irresponsible. I stand on that.
Are out of line, young lady.
They must spread hate message for us, sir. True parents work hard to secure a rich future for us, sir.
What?
I mean, we tell them not to have no ambition. Actually, them a like me. Them a tell lie for me, sir.
Miss Johnson, stop the blabbering and get to the point. Listen, I expect better from
I
you.
have nothing to do with any demonstration, sir. If anything, I told him to come and have a polite conversation with you, sir. With you.
Here, Miss Johnson, have a look at that. The phone not even there, school. I have worked hard for many years to establish this institution using my bare hands. How dare the likes of you come and tear it apart?
I am being honest with you. I have nothing to do with any brawl.
Is this not you leading a demonstration, Miss Johnson?
Someone that look like this, sir.
Oh my good God! Get out of here!
When I don't make me feel bad for me.
What?
You understand me? I am way better than all of you. I'm way better than them.
What, Jenka Jesus?
You understand? I'm Joanna Johnson. I'm not gonna make none of you make me feel bad about myself.
You're crazy! You are mad!
Why am I gonna sacrifice myself for Bruce and Bruce them happiness? I'm gonna prefer sacrifice some of them.
You're out of line! Get out of my office! There is no way we can repair this.
Mr. Inges,
All my hard work.
it's okay. You don't need to worry about it. I'll just speak with Daddy Dearest and he'll just write up a blank check for you. And you just fill in the blanks. Get something nice. I mean,
Do you think that you can come and wave your father's bank account in my face? And like magic, all your problem goes away? Huh?
Daddy will buy that tarnish. The tarnish.
Get out of my office! Get out of my office! You're crazy! Oh my God, push your buttons. Get out! The guidance counselor is awaiting you.
Okay, sir, bye.
You're crazy! I might have the security remove you from the campus. I need to get in touch with your parent. I can't believe this.
Miss, as I was saying, I did not lead any demonstration. I was just there for mere support, Miss. Why would they tell such a lie on me? I did not do it. And they keep on blaming me. I did not do it.
You don't want to take responsibilities for your own actions, Joanna? First of all, who started the demonstration?
Bubbles, Miss Bubbles wrote, Mama.
Are you sure about that, Joanna? Because I'm seeing quite different right here.
Listen up.
Really?
Miss. That is not. Look here. It's not what it seems. Miss, no. Because I'm tired. Everybody are come down on me. And our principal Enriquez, Mr. Enriquez, ma'am, in tech side, you don't want your no mommy have to say. And then it's like the whole school just want tech side and just come down on me. And bully me. I'm sick of it, man.
What's the real underlying problem, Joanna? What is it? What is happening to you? What is happening at home? I know this much at school, but what is happening? Tell me, Joanna.
Miss me. Kind of confused about life. I'm confused about my mother and my
take your time, dear. Take your time. All of this will only stress you out and you'll become sick. You have to take your time. Don't you believe in God? He fixes things, you know. God don't listen to me. Don't say that. Don't say that. Yes, Joanna, but I will listen to you. Trust me. I understand quite well, my dear. You can talk to me.
You bitch! Oh shit! Oh shit! Alright, play it down. Cause you're gonna tell you wrap me out to Principal Riquez. In front of it dead!
Oh shit. To the girl, yeah. You feel alright? Cause you don't seem too well.
Thanks for your concern, but you don't need it. You think you could have get me suspended? Head would have to roll in at this.
But that's not my fault. You can't just put yourself out there like that.
Your business will record me.
What if it's a free world? Why you did up on my case?
God, we don't like you. We don't like you. Oh, we don't like you. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, man. Look him. Jesus Christ. Of course not. Those are my sisters, darling.
You
but
wish.
You. Me hate you. Me just can't stand. What you exist for? What you exist for? Come and think about it. I didn't like you one time I got a dog. But the way me hate you now, me are 9 and 10 you. Bitch. Wanna stop? Wanna stop it?
Your name is on it and Gina's name is on it as well. You were cheating, Tolo.
You get 90 pounds, Miss John, to test?
I must copy a copy. You could have bust me up on the link, girl.
I was still accept fully done. Hey, stop chatting. You can't pass me, my friend. Nerd. How you look, man? How you call nobody? Leave her alone. Hey, I'm making a friend that can find out tomorrow. I don't want to be bad girl in this. But I tell her that here. Next year when you or anybody else wants to.
I'm afraid to say this, but you're suspended for a week.
Joanna told me all about this Kimon and her sister that's picking on her.
You know the suspension?
I will be.
I'm gonna have you fired. That's the last thing I do.
I never want to say nothing, you know. But nobody no like you, Joanna.
No, Bubbles. Anybody, Bubbles.
So this is how you behave at school. Been lying to me the whole time.
Daddy?
Straight over.
How can I come to that?
Action.
Yo, what the? Sorry.
Alright, so. Yeah!
Why that's all I got?
Joanna, say something make them all do you, please.
We need to make a stand.
Yeah!
What?
What the line again? Time for you.
Time for 5 man.
Here we go. Ready, let's go. Ready again?
Your emotional feeling.
Yeah, we need a line.
You.
Cut.
Oh, you fi ask me if you fi walk come when we are record. Stop it, yeah. Yeah, but you never back down.
Hey, I'm gonna you rap me out 3Ks.
Gina, get back in position.
What kind of question is this? You're two person.
No, you have to come in.
3, 2, 1, action.
What kind of question is this?
No,
Remember how you act, girl. Go now. Ready, attitude.
3, 2, 1, action.
What kind of question is this,
Listen,
sir?
I'm looking at Ross camera.
Oh, no!
What kind of question this, sir?